Hello friends, I am Shushant Raghavan. Welcome to Technical and Quality Session. For understanding the technical requirements and quality standards in clothing industry, making a sustainable garment, I have good practical experience in the apparel manufacturing sector. My skills are CAD pattern making, sample development, technical requirements, and measuring quality performance. Today's session is about quality control in the apparel industry. For more sessions like this, do like and subscribe to my channel. Now let's begin the presentation. Quality control. We all love the good things in life such as high quality items and branded products. Why? We are happy owning quality products because these meet our expectations. Consumers can trust branded products. Producing quality products is essential in garment manufacturing business. Garment companies include quality production in their mission statements. What is quality? Quality is defined as making products keeping customer requirements in mind. It is a set of activities for ensuring quality in products. The activities focus on identifying defects in the actual products produced. There are many definitions of quality given by quality gurus based on different perspectives. Your goal is to make garments as per customer specifications. Product specifications are mentioned in the tech pack. Follow the approved sample and buyer comments. Buyers prefer suppliers who understand them and can meet quality requirements in all aspects. So you have to satisfy your customer by supplying them with quality garments. Quality is not limited to the garments you supply, but also includes product packaging, overall services, and communication. To make a quality product, you have to control quality from the sourcing of raw materials to the production of finished garment. Factories follow quality assurance systems. Deviation may occur while making garments at various stages. To control the deviation in each process, the factory management sets up a quality control department and quality system in the factory. The objectives of setting up a quality control department is to discovering possible quality issues in garments in time for rectification, maintaining the quality standards of the company, improving the quality of products, minimizing the cost of quality by reducing defect generation. Remember the apparel supply chain. A factory makes garments and sells these garments to buyers or wholesalers. Buyers and wholesalers sells those garments to retailers. Finally, retailer sells garments to consumers. Quality issues discovered by customers revert to manufacturers by retailers to buyers to factories. No consumer will knowingly buy a defective garment. This also applies to buyers who wouldn't buy defective garments from you. You have to ensure that you pack only defect-free garments. Remember, 1% defective garment from a factory is 100% defective for the consumer who unknowingly purchases one defective garment from the retail store. Quality checking procedures followed by factories is shown in the following diagram. Checking of raw materials and garments. Finding defective components or goods in inspected lot. Segregating correct and incorrect goods. Repair or alteration of defective goods. If it is raw materials, reject and send back to supplier. Take preventive action based on defects types. Recheck repaired pieces. Pass material garments for the use in next process. Quality control and quality inspection procedures. A typical garment unit sets quality checkpoints in the processes and at the end of the processes. The objective of keeping quality checkpoints in various processes are to capture defective work or defective material as early as it occurs. When defective components or works are passed to the next process, quality issues become bigger. Thus, cost and time to repair defects increase. Different stages of quality checking and quality inspection. Standard, quality manual, approved sample, testing standards, BOM and TNA. Fabric inspection, 4-point system for fabric inspection, shrinkage, shade bands, storage and inventory. trims and accessory inspection, AQL 1.5 or 100% trim card storage and inventory. Cut parts inspection, AQL 1.5 level 2 fabric relaxation, pattern check, numbering and shade control. Stitching quality checking, inline inspection, traffic light inspection, end line inspection, quality audit and measurement checking. Measuring quality performance, right first time, DHU, defective percentage. Garments checking at finishing stage, internal QA audit, AQL 1.5, level 2 and metal detection. Shipment audit, final shipment, pre-request, style file, approved sample, packing list and total shipment quantity. Corrective actions for quality issues. Assign quality checkers to critical operations in sewing lines. Train quality checkers to improve their effectiveness in checking. Improve quality awareness among sewing operators and other employees. Use problem-solving techniques to solve the root causes of the quality issues. Take preventive measure to eliminate defect generation in cutting, sewing and finishing departments. Tips to improve garment quality. Communicate the importance of the quality production to your employees and shop floor workers and explain quality expectations by the management. Maintain a clean and dry workplace including storage rooms and shipping areas. Select and utilize appropriate equipment in cutting, sewing and finishing processes. Provide appropriate tools, machines and equipment to each department. Provide on-the-job training to workers. Plan an ongoing program for machine maintenance. Establish agreed upon quality standards with all fabric suppliers before purchase, including procedures for rejecting, returning unacceptable goods. Tips to improve garment quality. Follow 100% inspection of all incoming fabrics. Allocate a trained quality inspector for visual inspection. Follow 100% inspection of value-added processes such as panel printing, machine embroidery, etc. Cutting quality is the second most important area. Checking is to be performed for the cut components such as matching cut panels with original patterns, shade variations, fabric related defects, etc. Check 100% of the garments after stitching and in the finishing section. Record defects by garment production lot, source of defects, fabric, cutting or assembly, type of defects, etc. Analyze the inspection report data to identify sources of quality problems. Conclusion. The quality control procedures and systems explained in this presentation are followed by most of the garment export houses in the garment industry, but variation may be found. Your priority must be quality production rather than producing quantity. When the quality production is improved, productivity of a factory improves as well. Reducing defects increases the cost of manufacturing and consumes more time to make same number of pieces. You should aim to make right first time, follow quality improvement tips and implement quality inspection methods that are explained in this presentation. You may need to modify and update some inspection procedures depending on your product. Thank you for watching. For more sessions like this, do like and subscribe to my channel. Please comment your valuable thoughts and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified when I post a new presentation. Bye, have a good day.